Hello guys, this is Farhan again with another forex trading video for you guys. In this video I am going to share with you another powerful trading setup which my secret market scanner identified way in advance. But before I start today's video, I have a great news for you guys. If you want to make money in forex market but you don't have time for trading, then I have a great news for you. Currently I'm running an offer of $2,000 minimum deposit amount for clients, and I will try to make $2,000 into $50,000 within 1 or 2 months time. And I have done this type of trading in the past too, so this is your best chance to get enrolled in it because I have very few spots available. You can contact me on my free Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description, or alternately you can email us at support@fxchildplasignals.com. Now let's get back to the content. As you can see, currently I'm in the EURUSD chart, and according to my secret market scanner, EURUSD was a sell for the day. And if we go to the shorter time frame, look at this, how powerfully it reacted from this resistance area right at the New York time, and boom, it went down more than 30 pips. So this is how my secret market scanner identifies daily trading opportunities for us. So I really hope you like this video. Please smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.